Hey guys, this is Itjustoneguy, and I'm back here with my next Mistborn update. And let's just go in game and see what I've changed. Now I decided to actually release this update for the game, just so I can start releasing the updates weekly. As you can see now, it has a main menu. You can just straight go to 2 different levels here, and then exit the game. The first level is the fun level, where you can just jump around and summon enemies and everything like that. The second level is the prototype level. This is going to be the level that's actually in the game. It's just going to be one city, and this is going to be the city. Every time I create a new building, I'll upload it to this level right here. So let's just go inside the fun level. Okay, now you can see right here, I've changed things up a bit. I put all these little tips right here. You can turn them off if you want to with the L key, just so you can jump around. But the point of these tips is to explain things that might not be obvious, that I thought people would pick up on instinctively. So you got everything that I've updated so far. Let's just start with a still jump. Probably went by it like twice. And it has all the sky fighting things where you can move back and forth from these. And basically all the abilities that I showed off in earlier videos. Get the iron pole. You can land from an iron pole. You can move around with the directional just by pushing in a direction. You can pull stuff to you. Basically everything that was shown in earlier videos. I don't know if I actually updated the game before to put all that stuff in, but I did now. Where is it? Steel Blast. There we go. I like these metal textures though. I used the metal texture from the prototype level, which I think looks a lot better, especially when it reflects. But unfortunately, in the dark, they just come off as kind of black cubes because there's no light to reflect off them. But when they're lit, they look really good. And of course, you can summon your enemy with R. And now you can tell where the summoning place is at because it has that little glowy thing, and it lets you know. Press R to summon the enemy here, and you can see when you summon them, it's right at the point, so you know where the enemy is coming from. And these are weak enemies. They just have pewter, so they can heal and dodge and do all that stuff. As far as I know, all the abilities worked. At least I've tried to make sure they work. I know there were issues before because everything was tied to the frame rate, which is still the case. I've just made the frame rate stable, so it should run at 60 frames per second. I like ATM because it really does predict what he's going to do. Anyway, that's it for that. That's just a fun level, just so you can use the abilities in the game and see what they're like. And let me go to the prototype level. And this just shows you what the city is going to be like. That's the sky building complex. There's really nothing in this level. It's just give you an idea of what's going to be in the game. And you can go in here and go into buildings and everything like that. And you can go into the main keep, which is going to be the goal to get this building right here and basically take it over through either combat or intrigue. Now I am going to have to relight all these places because the game is at well, right now it's at night, so nothing is lit. But I'll have to, sooner or later, I'll have to actually put the lighting in. This is just to give you an idea of what's going to be in the game now. Just so you can see how it's going to look and how it's going to feel and how it's going to work and everything like that. and every time I create a new building, I'll update the game. But that's it. You can play it now. You can download it from itch.io right now. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.